welcome again to AJD Greens. AJD Environmental Solutions presenting ultra-high pressure hydro-jetting machine. This machine is useful for industrial cleaning like plant machineries, sticky materials like grease, oil deposition from long time. Mining vehicle and heavy earth mover cleaning. Mining vehicles and heavy earth movers should clean effectively time to time for greasing to reduce maintenance. We can clean with this machine using straight jet or turbojet nozzles. A big concern for concrete moving vehicle and batching plant to clean time to time, this machine suitable for cut and clean the concrete deposition. Pipeline dechalking. We can clean and remove chalking with this machine in industrial or domestic pipelines. So this machine is very useful for power and process industries, mining, automobile, construction site, etc. With using very low consumption of water with high pressure from 100 to 1000 bar. For more details please visit www.ajdgreens.com. Thank you.